Hello YouTube, the Devil's Advocate here. This time I want to show you a workaround for a potential problem in after installing Laravel. Let me go to my Ubuntu 16.04, which is running on Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so if I start up Apache, because it's actually running in XAMPP, Apache. Now, just bear me a second. See should the command start of Apache. So that will be yep. Yep. Oh, let's do this right. Start. Yep. Hopefully done that right. Enter my password. Yep. Apache starting up. Okay. Now just start up a browser and go to the Laravel page. Okay, give it a second. Okay, let's say this is running on a as localhost. So in that case, I would have to issue. Come on. Yep. HTTP. Even HTTP. Yep. And local host. And for web developer purposes, we thought best to do it and develop your page application on the local host. So for Laravel, you go to the publics folder. You target the public folder, enter, and you know it's working when you get that screen. So that means everything's working. Your Laravel installation is working correctly. Now the initial issue I had when after I installed Laravel and went to the public folder, blank white screen. I thought, what the heck's going on here? So let's take a look at the directory. Okay, let's go to So I'm going to navigate to the Laravel directory now. That would be LPT and NAMP htdocs. Now there's Laravel installed. Now the issue was first thing I noticed after installation that there's no .env. There's a .env.example, but also should also have a .env, which should be generated after installation. Should be one default, but it simply wasn't there. I think what I did to get around the problem, okay, I backed this file up, made a copy of it, renamed it to .env, and then I had to issue the command to, let me open .env just to show what I'm on about. Open this text editor. Now what you need to get Laravel working is app key for Laravel. This is app key, and that's generated by issuing this command. Let's stretch this out a little bit, the terminal window. So issue PHP artisan key, colon, generate. Now I'm not going to hit enter because I've already generated the key, but once you hit enter, it generates a key, then populates that this field here, which will be empty initially, and then after generating the key is entered there. Okay, that should get everything working, but once again it wasn't. So I was checking everything, point to localhost, DB connection MySQL port 3306. With there was a database name, database, the username, passwords, whatever. Still, and refreshed the birth screen on after targeting the public folder, and still nothing, still blank on my screen. I thought, what the heck is going on here? So what I did then, I mean, I wasn't getting any error messages, which is not good when you want to solve a problem, because error messages and log files are, you know, a developer's best friend, or troubleshooter's best friend. So go back over to, let me go back. Yeah, oops. Yeah, go to files, and what we're looking for, I believe, hang on, let's get this right. Yeah, you're going to get docs to look for the actually, spare me a second. Okay, spare me a sec. Actually, just showing you this particular folder is another copy of env, which it was there. So just you can also copy over from that directory. Okay, let's try it. Where the heck is that log file again? Try, okay, not there. Okay, this is getting monotonous, so I'm just going to forget that. But there is a log log file in there that tells you everything. Okay, unfortunately, on this occasion, it told me bugger all. So I've gone too far out. Okay, next thing, actually, when I went into public, there's no index.php, so I copied that from the other folder I just showed you. And what I needed to do is open a text editor. Oh, come on. Okay, I needed some error messages. So what I did was I entered these commands at the beginning of the index.php. What this does is to display any and all error messages. Okay, I did that and entered that, and close it down, save, close it down, refreshed, still nothing. So what the heck's going on here? So what I did then is to okay, let's just go back one. Is to look at permissions. Maybe I was locked out because of permissions. So what I did after going back to the terminal, I entered the command, navigated to the Laravel folder, or the htdocs where Laravel was installed, then the public folder. So okay, where am I at the minute? Okay, I need to go right back to, okay, and it's -l, yep, opt, lamp, okay, let's get this on, yep, and then it would be change directory to htdocs where my stuff is. That's -l, and yep. So let me just clear that up. This makes it a bit clearer for you. Okay, so this is the AC. Yeah, this is this directory right here. let's go back one. Yeah, htdocs, this is this directory. So what I did then was to change permissions of all the folders there by issuing something like this chown, or change ownership. Oops, wait a second, there should be sudo, so I can get root access, get ownership of that. Chown 775 to change to gain access to that, to own those files, but not 777 which gives full access, rewrite, so on and so forth. The 775 just to gain enough access. So be that one. You get this right, yeah. And the directory in this case would be everything in htdocs, right? Enter, and then again access to everything. Kept repeating that, and then after I did that, actually should be, let's go back one. Where are we? Okay, chown sudo chown 775, yeah, and then you public on the public folder. Actually, once I did that, did a refresh of this page, and this time I got errors down there complaining about, and when I looked at the errors, there was it was complaining about it didn't have ownership, or couldn't have access to, didn't have permissions to access a couple of folders in there, a couple of directories. So I changed the ownership using the chown command of those two directories it's complaining about, refreshed, then got this. So anytime, guys, you have any issues after installing Laravel, look if there is a .env, then let's go back to that. Go back to Nautilus. Make sure that's there. If not, just change, rename that to .env. Generate the key, and check permissions. Check permissions of all these directories, because it's usually the permissions problem. So my problem, got Laravel working, hence this screen. So you should be good to go. Now my next videos should be tutorials on how to develop applications using Laravel for PHP, the framework. Anyway, Devil's Advocate, signing off. If you like this vlog, please like, subscribe and share. Have a nice day.